How to select two-step verification on TikTok app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to select two-step verification on TikTok app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your TikTok. Once you are on your profile, click on those three lines up there and click on setting and privacy. Now all you need to do is click on security and login, and here you're gonna find two-step verification. To click on it, and here this is for if you log in from unrecognized devices. A three-party app will choose the most secure method to verify your identity depending on the method you already used to log in. Now you choose SMS, email, or other, which is password. Choose wherever you want, choose two, and once you choose, click on turn on. And this is it, easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to subscribe and like.